For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Earlier today, we talked about multisyllable verbs and how they are changed in spelling when you add the present participle of ing. So you will have this list of words. This is the first slide that we'll get to in just a second. Go ahead and click onto the second slide and you have your directions there. So the directions say write each word shown in the chart below with the ending ing. Then you should ask yourself, was there no spelling change to the original word? Did you drop the silent E when you changed it to the ing? Or did you double the final consonant before you added the ing? After you write the word, I want you to type in the correct column on the three-way sort in the first slide. So here is the three-way sort that you're going to type the words in. But let's follow those directions. Step 1 was to take each of these words and write on a piece of paper adding ing. So I'm taking the word apply and I'm adding ing. I'm writing it A-P-P-L-Y-I-N-G. Now I'm looking at it. I did not change anything in the original word at all. So this is where I'm going to be typing that word applying. I'm going to come back to the first slide, click under no spelling change because I did not spell or I did not change the spelling of that word. I'm going to click once and start typing A-P-P-L-Y-I-N-G. You have done your first word. Go back to the second page and do it again for the word reduce. So you're taking the word reduce and you're adding ing. Once again, take your pencil and your paper and spell reducing. R-E-D-U-C. I'm dropping the E, I-N-G. I'm looking at it. All right, I dropped the silent E in reducing. So I'm going to take the word reducing and I'm going to put it in the column that says drop silent E. Click and type R-E-D-U-C-I-N-G. Come back. Now I'm looking at the word elect. I need to add ing. So electing. Follow the exact same steps. If you are not sure of a word and how to spell it, that is why you have your paper. Take your time and look. Did I change the spelling of the word? Did I drop the silent E? Did I double the final consonant? After you determine which one of those three things you did, take your new word with ing at the end and put it in the correct column. There is one little clue here my picture is covering. It says make sure you have all 15 words in the sort. So if you think you have your work done, come back to this first page, count how many words and make sure your total number of words on this chart is 15 before you click submit assignment to your teacher.